Why was my frame so bad? Why am I suddenly failing 40%?
Okay, this is a really bad idea, but I'm already here, so here we fucking go. Right, extreme noses bounces on you. Ooh, you're so warm. Couldn't help but notice your both from across the floor. Noses get nicky like you tell baby till they hee hee. Unzip so baggy, it's dental, baby. You so musky. Take me home, pet me, and give me yours, and don't forget to stop me. See me like my little baby turtle for your bulgy bulgy kisses and lickings your neck. I hope daddy likes these nuzzles and wuzzles your chest. I be getting thirsty. Hey, I got a little itch. You think you can help me? Only 7 inches long. Ooh, please adopt me. Cause on your butt as I lick my lips. Ooh, kinda sneaky. But I hit him with this furry shit. He don't see it coming.
Whoa. Whoa. Wow. Oh my god. Oh my god. Damn. I beat Misfire. Wow. Holy shit. I beat the level. I beat the level. Right.
Ooh, please adopt me.
What the fuck? No! What is this